how to use going to. Going to is a way to talk about things we plan to do or events we expect to happen in the future. It is formed by the subject, followed by the phrase am, are is going to, and then the base form of the verb. Here's how to use it. 1. Expressing plans or intentions. These examples use straightforward language to convey plans or intentions using going to along with additional details. Example: I am going to start a new fitness routine next week. Detail: this means there is a definite plan to initiate a fitness routine in the upcoming week. Example: we are going to celebrate our anniversary at a fancy restaurant. Detail: the couple has a specific intention to celebrate their anniversary at an upscale restaurant. Example: she is going to apply for a master's degree in psychology. Detail: there's a clear intention on her part to submit an application for a master's degree in psychology. Example: they are going to renovate their kitchen next month. Detail: there's a planned renovation for their kitchen scheduled for the following month. Example: he is going to learn how to play the guitar this summer. Detail: he has set a goal to acquire the skill of playing the guitar during the upcoming summer. 2. Talking about predictions. Going to is used to express predictions based on present evidence or circumstances, and additional details provide context to the predictions. Example: I think it's going to rain later this afternoon. Detail: based on the dark clouds and the weather forecast, I believe that rain is likely to happen later in the afternoon. Example: she's going to ace the exam. She has been studying for weeks. Detail: considering the effort she has put into studying for weeks, I am confident that she will perform exceptionally well in the upcoming exam. Example: the team is going to win the match. They've been practicing really hard. Detail: with their consistent and rigorous practice sessions, I am predicting that the team will emerge victorious in the upcoming match. Example: he's not going to make it on time. The traffic is terrible. Detail: given the current traffic conditions, I doubt that he will arrive on time due to the heavy congestion. Example: we're going to have a great time at the party. The decorations look amazing. Detail: observing the fantastic decorations and the festive atmosphere, I am sure that we will enjoy ourselves immensely at the party. 3. Discussing future events. Going to is used to discuss future events that have been planned or are expected to happen based on the current circumstances, and additional details provide context to the discussions. Example: we're going to celebrate Sarah's birthday at a nice restaurant next week. Detail: we have already made plans, and it's confirmed that we will celebrate Sarah's birthday at a fancy restaurant in the upcoming week. Example: they're going to travel to Europe next summer for a family vacation. Detail: the family has decided on their vacation plans, and it's established that they will be traveling to Europe during the summer months. Example: I'm going to start a new job in January after completing my training. Detail: I have finished my training, and it's certain that I will begin working at a new job starting in January. Example: she's going to buy a new car as soon as she saves enough money. Detail: her plan is to save money until she reaches the required amount, and once achieved, she is certain that she will purchase a new car. Example: the company is going to launch a new product next month with a big event. Detail: the company has scheduled a launch event, and it's definite that they will introduce a new product to the market in the coming month. 4. Asking questions about the future. Going to is used in questions to ask about future plans or intentions, and additional details provide context to the inquiries. Example: are you going to visit your grandparents this weekend? Detail: the question is asking about the person's plans for the upcoming weekend, specifically whether they have intentions to visit their grandparents. Example: is she going to apply for a job after finishing college? Detail: the question inquires about the person's future plans regarding employment, specifically if she plans to submit job applications after completing her college studies. Example: are we going to have a meeting to discuss the project tomorrow? Detail: this question seeks information about the future schedule, particularly whether there is a plan for a meeting to discuss the project on the following day. Example: is he going to travel abroad for vacation during the summer? Detail: the question is about the person's intentions for summer vacation, asking whether he plans to travel to a foreign country during that time. Example: are they going to organize a party for the new year? Detail: this question is inquiring about future plans for celebrating the new year, specifically if there are intentions to organize a party for that occasion. 5. Negative form. Saying something won't happen. The negative form with going to is used to express the improbability or assurance that certain events won't happen, and additional details provide context to support the negation. Example: she's not going to miss the bus. She set an early alarm. Detail: this sentence indicates that missing the bus is unlikely because she took precautions by setting an early alarm. Example: we're not going to forget your birthday. We already bought a gift. Detail: the statement assures that forgetting the birthday won't happen as they have already purchased a gift, showing thoughtfulness. Example: he's not going to fail the exam. He studied all night. Detail: the sentence suggests that failing the exam is improbable due to the person's effort in studying throughout the night. Example: they're not going to cancel the concert. The tickets are sold out. Detail: this conveys that canceling the concert is not anticipated because the tickets have been sold out, indicating a high demand. Example: it's not going to rain during the picnic. The weather forecast is clear. Detail: the statement negates the possibility of rain during the picnic, providing reassurance based on the clear weather forecast.